Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What I have is my hair just sleeked up in a high ponytail, whatever you would like to call it, high afro puff, whatever. But if you would like a tutorial on how to achieve this look with kind of semi-laid edges, go ahead and watch the video. Y'all be blessed. I hope it helps. Okay, so how I'm gonna be wearing my hair is going to be a high bun, and then I'm just gonna slay my edges. So what I was instructed was to cut a elastic band and then just use that as the tool to pull your hair up. But first I'm gonna just pick my hair out a little bit because I wanna make it bigger. So we're gonna start doing that. So you're supposed to slick it up to your desired height. I like to wear my buns pretty high up on my head. So I'm just gonna keep slicking the back up and doing the same for the front. And of course, pulling this to make it tighter. So I feel like this is a decent height. So now I'm tying it and I'm trying not to get any hair caught in it, because if I get hair caught in it, it'll make it really difficult to take down. Okay. So my hair is up at the desired height I would like, but it's just not standing as tall as I would like. So I'm just fluffing it out. My hair is really soft, so sometimes it just flops over when I don't want it to flop. This time I want it to like just stand. Let me readjust this camera. Stand up high. So I'm just gonna pull up and let gravity take its course. Y'all, I forgot to actually like put gel on the back of my, oh God, I gotta restart. Let's just try this again. So one of the videos was like, you gotta go ahead and put gel on your hair before you slick your hair up. And I completely forgot to do that. So now I'm just trying to take out this knot so we can start again. Slick down my hair if I don't already have gel in it. So extreme wet line. I'm just gonna use the side of the brush. I'm not even gonna try to brush my hair all the way up because it obviously cannot do that right now. So you can kind of see some of the product that I have in my hair from the wash and go. I'm just gonna smooth it out. So there we go. Now we can do the whole pull-up thing. Lord, please let this work. Please let this work. Lord, you know I got a big head. Pulling it up to the desired height in the front and the back. And I'm also tugging at this string too as it goes up. Okay. Look like it's trying to do a little song. I think that's about the height that I wanted. So tying this once again, trying not to get any of my hair caught in it. Okay, now I pull. Well, shake it out and pull. Y'all, it's slicked. Big. Okay, let me not get too excited. Whew. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck these in now. Okay, tuck. Okay. And then pulling at my hair till I get it to my, oh my God. I cannot believe my hair is just even laying down like this at all right now. My hair is so disobedient most days. Excuse me, guys. So like I said before, I like tall hair. So I'm just gonna keep pulling this up, shaking out. What y'all think so far? I like it so far, even before I've laid my edges down. I mean, like, gave the little baby hair stuff. So y'all take a look. Oh, Kurt. I don't think I did that. Oh, Kurt. Oh, Kurt. I'm just gonna stop. Anyway, so let's get to the little baby hair thing. So they say that you're supposed to like pull it out and then swoop it around. I'm scared. I'm scared. So I just dipped my little toothbrush in the gel because I saw somebody else do that. So, okay, so pull it down and pull it up and out, or up and around. I don't even know, y'all. Guys. Maybe that's what I'm supposed to do first. Just bring them out a little bit. Just bring them out just a little bit. And then swoosh. Okay. Oh, okay. it might be hitting on some. Let me get a little bit more gel. Oh, snap. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this is like really blowing my mind right now. Can y'all see this? Yo, I'm scared about the other side though, because my head is big and like the right side of my hair sometimes does not act as good as the left side of my hair. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Okay. Okay. We'll bring them out first. Remember, that's the little trick we had. Bring out the little edges first. Okay. Maybe I can try it with my left hand. Oh God. Down and swoop. Down and swoop. Hey, she doing a little song. I like this side better, but okay, I have gel on my forehead now. All right, so she doing a little, you know what I'm saying, a little song. You know what? I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm just gonna leave it alone. Let me get the extra gel drip from off my forehead. Okay. Y'all, I think that's all I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna just leave it alone. I think Simba will be very happy with this, the eduration. We in there. So thank you for watching this video. I promise y'all I'm gonna become a slay queen for my edges one day. But until that day, I'm gonna just enjoy this hair work. Y'all be blessed.